Yo gang, it's Swat, and I'm back with another reaction video. And today we got Nle Choppa, Auntie Living Room on his own channel. Came out a month ago, but I heard it's a banger, so I'm gonna get straight into it. Round one, let's go. Yeah, man. I fuck with that still. I fuck with that one still. Nle Choppa. Yeah, man. Round one, strong. What's a strong round still. I want to come reload it, but you know the rules.
You gonna lay in that bed and run dead.
Hey, I got something though right there.
Just recording in the crib.
Children are crying.
Ooh.
People are dying.
No way that's her. No way that's her.
Children are crying.
Ooh.
People are dying. Woo.
Ooh. That shit hard, you know, isn't it?
Auntie Tracy just blessed the mic.
Oh, no way. Auntie Living Room is recording music at his auntie's and she's just done the hook for him. Like, oh my god, that's what I liked about the tune. I was like, oh, this is different. Like, no way. And furthermore, that's why you should always have a camera recording, because look at that moment that camera captured. Then, like, come on, man, like. And then they made a track out of it, and it's a banger personally. But yeah, man, let's watch the video. Big Rolls Royce.
Auntie, hard. Turn up. Back to the basics. I turn up. Back to the basics.
This must be his ends.
Back to the basics. Turn up. Whole lot of switching drinks. Pull on the street, he ain't making it out.
Bro, look at the size of them guns,
making that bed, he gon' lay in that bed. No resurrected from the dead. Fresh as hell if the feds looking. Fresh as hell if the feds watching. 20 on his head, good profit. What that is, that's another body. Pray to the Lord that we get that little boy. I repented some more. Seen a lot of costs, it took a lot of losses, but that shit made me a boss.
Right in the beat, though.
What he said, we leaving her red. Mechanical chopper, a whole lot of lead. Ride for my dog like a pig, oh yeah. Children are crying.
Auntie, come on, man. Putting on for the aunties out there.
Ain't got no place to sleep. Rock out with this stick, no, I'm keeping my metal.
The way it's cool.
Gun in this car got 100 or better. Choosing the Glock and the
Came
Glock,
in.
how you gonna step to a stepper? We robbing the robbers and killing the killers, etc. Put my shooter on the pad.
How you gonna step to a stepper? We robbing the robbers and killers, etc. Like, yo, trust me. Okay, I hear him still.
Hollow tip, eat them like an edible. Same gun that I killed bro with. Step on niggas like dog shit. Don't need me a condom, got a real bitch. Police, we ain't saw shit. I was just laid back chillin', they made me a villain. I put you niggas in position. Said I couldn't come back to the hood in my auntie living room, chillin', making meals.
Said I couldn't come back to the hood. I'm in my auntie's living room, chilling, making millions. Facts. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Have your ticket parked outside in the trenches, nigga, no bitch. Posted up, shirt off with a glizzy. This the life that we dream, just cheering. He said, wet, yeah, crickets, pass to the leg, nigga, we can't kick it. Blood on my hands, finger licking, KFC chicken, we with my
okay. No place to sleep. Children cry. But Auntie's gas that you put it on the truck, innit? Facts. 50-50 on the royalties.
That nigga don't like ding dong ditch. Twin Glocks on me, Lilo and Stitch. He ain't my homie, I melly that bitch. High like gold, you living, you die.
He ain't my homie, I'll melly that bitch.
I'm the same guy, all white, hit it right on the nose, nigga play a fly.
Hey, look, man, that jet free T-Bone.
Nah, America do it different, man. Gave him a honey bun like a fat kid. Nah, the hook's too hard, man. It just goes so sick with the beat. Yeah, man. Cold. Yeah, man, the video was cold. There wasn't too much going on in the video, but like, didn't need to be, you know what I'm saying? And like, after the start of the clip showing that when he's just there, he's just cooking on the beat, and then his auntie's like, oh, I got something that can go there, and then end up making a whole track out of it, you know what I'm saying? And that's probably the best bit of the track, which is the hook, what she's on, you know what I'm saying? So like I say, always have your camera recording, man, like always, because you never know what type of moment you're gonna capture, you know what I'm saying? Facts. But overall, I'll give that a 4 stars. There wasn't too many crazy bars or punchlines in there, but like, you know what I'm saying? I can still respect it. The beat was hard, video was hard, hook was hard, and he put on for his family, you know what I'm saying? And like he's saying, going back to his roots, chilling with his auntie, making millions and that, you know what I'm saying? Can't hate on a nigga for doing that shit. So leave a comment down below, guys. You liking the videos? You not liking the videos? What do I need to do? What don't I need to do? For a chance to win £50. Every video I'm giving away £50. So first person to get the answer right in the comments, I will personally bank transfer you £50. So I'm trying to make it fun for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what the answer is below, guys. But anyway, gang, on that note, I'm loving you, leaving you. Peace.